Next point on our list would be showing what does the invoice tab actually do. In this case, we click on the invoices and we would see straight away that my list is being shown here on the top left as well. This works in the same two-tiered system as the project dashboard does. It has my list and it has a company list. Clicking on the company list will show projects which my colleagues have closed and built and are ready to be invoiced. We can see here again as well, for each project in these lines, there's the name shown. When was the date that I pressed the close and bill button? If I have entered a PO number, the PO number will be shown straight away here. It will give an indication of the cost for that project as well as a status. There are two statuses on the invoices dashboard, which we can also see when clicking on the filter again. We have an invoice processing. That means that you've pressed the bill and close button and your account manager has been notified that this project can be invoiced. And once the invoice has been issued, the status will move to invoiced. In this case, we have all of our projects in here shown as invoice processing. That means the account manager will still need to invoice these projects. Then we can see we have a summary button. The summary buttons give a brief overview over all of the target groups which had been set up and how many completes each target group had achieved. So in terms of this example, I would click on the US Census Division summary. We can see here that we had 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 target groups being set up. Of those 5 target groups, there was just one which actually had achieved some completes, and that was the US Census by divisions with 17 completes. The CPI per complete was $2.75, and that is a total of $46.75. And at the bottom, we see a summary of all of our costs from all target groups, which are, because we just had one target group live here with 17 completes, at the $46.75 from this target group. If you want to, you can download the summary as well, simply by clicking on the download summary, which will open up a PDF, which can be opened, and it shows the exact same information on a PDF as what you have seen within the invoicing dashboard. Let's click cancel here and go back to my list. There is a search bar here as well, which is being used in the same way as on your project dashboard. You can search by part of the project name or by the full project name. And also here you do have a date range. The date range within the invoices dashboard is less relevant compared to the project management dashboard. There is no default date being shown here, simply because usually those invoices fade out and you will be looking for more anyway. Thank you for taking the time to watch this video, and we hope you found this video series helpful. Please reach out to us in case of any questions, and be sure to ask Dynata for end-to-end help with your research and audience needs.